Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to turn a PDF into a statement size using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option. Now select Resize option and select Standard option and click this arrow and scroll up or down, and here you will find this statement option and select your pointer range and see this is statement. Now select all page, you can select specific pages and so on. Now simply select OK and see this our PDF file now converted to statement size. Now select file option and select document properties and this is statement size, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment.